Hello everyone, welcome back to E-Classes of Statistics Standard 11th. In this video, we are going to begin exercise 4.2 from your textbook that is related to quartile deviation. We already have studied the formula of quartile deviation, that is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2, and formula for coefficient of quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. So these are the two formulas on the basis of which we are going to solve exercise 4.2. Let's begin with sum number 1. A shooter missed his target in the last 10 trials by the following distance during the practice session: 20, 32, 24, 41, 18, 27, 15, 36, 35, 25. Find the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation of such distance missed by the shooter. So here you can see ungrouped data is given in the question, and first we have to arrange this ungrouped data in ascending order. So let's solve the sum and be more clear. Here you can see we have arranged the observations in ascending order: 15, 18, 20, 24, 25, 27, 32, 35, 36, 41. As the number of observations are 10, so n is 10. Now for QD, we have to first find Q1 and Q3, as the formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So Q3 and Q1 are to be taken out. So first we are finding out first quartile. As it is ungrouped data, so the formula for Q1 will be n plus 1 divided by 4. Here n is 10. So 10 plus 1 divided by 4. That gives 2.75 observation. So value of second observation, as it is 2.75, value of second observation, that is 18, plus 0.75 as it is, and multiply by value of third observation minus second observation. This is third observation, this is second observation. So 20 minus 18. So 18 plus 0.75 multiply by 2. So 18 plus 1.50, and that gives 19.50. Now let's find Q3. Third quartile, and as it is ungrouped data, the formula will be 3 n plus 1 divided by 4. So n is 10. 3, 10 plus 1 divided by 4. 3 into 2.75. That gives 8.25 observation. So the value of 8th observation is 35 plus 0.25 as it is, multiplied by value of 9th observation minus value of 8th observation, that is 36 minus 35. So 0.25 in bracket, it will be 1, as 36 minus 35 gives you 1. So 0.25 multiplied by 1 will be 0.25 as it is. So 35 plus 0.25 will be 35.25 mm. So third quartile is 35.25. Now we will find QD, and the formula for QD is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So now we are going to put the values of Q3 and Q1 that we have taken out already. Q3 we taken out 35.25 and Q1 we found that is 19.50. So as per the formula, 35.25 minus 19.50 divided by 2. That will give you 15.75 divided by 2, and it will give you 7.875. So your QD is 7.88 mm. Now coefficient of quartile deviation, and the formula is Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. So here we are going to put the values in the formula: 35.25 minus 19.50 upon 35.25 plus 19.50, and that gives you 15.75 divided by 54.75, and this gives you 0.29. So we are done with QD and coefficient of QD. Now let's solve sum number 2. Let's read sum number 2. Find the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation of the marks from the following frequency distribution of marks of 43 students of a school. Here, in a table form, marks and number of student is given. Here we can see it's a discrete data sum. So let's solve the sum and be more clear. So for a discrete data sum, we need to first find cumulative frequency. So we have written marks as it is from the question and frequency from the question. And now we have to find cumulative frequency that we can take out from frequency. So first is 4, then 4 plus 7 is 11, then 11 plus 15 is 26, 26 plus 8 is 34, 34 plus 7 is 41, 41 plus 2 is 43. So here we are done with cumulative frequency, and if we total the column of frequency, that will be sigma f or n is equals to 43. Now as we have to find QD, so first we have to find Q3 and Q1. So first we are taking out Q1, and the formula for Q1 for discrete data will be n plus 1 divided by 4th observation. Here n is 43. So 43 plus 1 divided by 4, that gives you 44 upon 4. That 44 upon 4 gives you 11th observation. So in the table of cumulative frequency, in the column of cumulative frequency, you have to see where it is 11 lies. 11 is here. And in front of that, the variable or the observation is 20. So your Q1 will be 20. Now let's find Q3. So the formula for Q3 will be 3n plus 1 divided by 4. That will give you 3 into 11, and 3 into 11 is 33 observation. 33 observation lies here. So referring to the column of 33 in CF, in front of that observation is 40. So your Q3 is 40. Now we'll find QD and coefficient of QD. Formula for QD is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. So Q3 we take it now, that is 40, and Q1 that we take it now, that is 20. So 40 minus 20 divided by 2, that is 20 upon 2, and that is 10 marks. So QD is 10. Now coefficient of quartile deviation, the formula is Q3 minus Q1 upon Q3 plus Q1. That means 40 minus 20 upon 40 plus 20. That gives you 20 divided by 60. And 20 divided by 60 is 0.33. So here we are done with the first and second sum. First sum was on group data. Second is discrete data. Go through the sums, revise it thoroughly. Thank you.